decades, Rolls-Royce has sat unchallenged on the throne of absolute automotive royalty, confidently believing that nothing on four wheels could ever touch the sheer prestige of the Phantom or the Cullinan. But Mercedes-Maybach has just decided to throw the entire rulebook out the window, unleashing an absolute behemoth that doesn't just challenge the British crown, it completely obliterates it. Meet the all-new 2027 Mercedes-Maybach Limousine 6X6, a $3 million rolling palace that is so absurdly over-engineered, it makes every other luxury vehicle on Earth look like an entry-level rental car. We are talking about a six-wheeled, double-stretched titanium-armored titan designed not just to transport billionaires, but to insulate them from the rest of humanity in the most extravagant way possible. Yet, beneath all this hand-stitched leather, solid gold accents, and intimidating presence, lies a shocking engineering flaw that Mercedes is desperately hoping its elite clientele never finds out about. A mechanical secret so devastating that it could make this entire multi-million-dollar masterpiece completely useless on real roads. And we are going to expose exactly what that is at the very end of this video. To understand why this machine has sent shockwaves through Goodwood, you first have to look at its sheer, terrifying scale. This isn't just an SUV with an extra axle slapped onto the back. This is a fully bespoke, ground-up reimagining of what a modern limousine can be. Up front, the iconic, towering chrome Maybach grille has been enlarged and illuminated, casting a majestic glow that demands immediate submission from anyone in its rear-view mirror. The body has been extended to a mind-boggling 22 feet, draped in a gorgeous, hand-painted two-tone finish that takes over 100 hours of manual labor to perfect. It rides on 6 massive, custom-forged 24-inch wheels, wrapped in specialized, low-noise tires designed to deliver what Mercedes calls the ultimate magic carpet ride. But of course, a vehicle of this magnitude is not meant for driving, it is meant to be driven in. Which brings us to the cabin. Opening the heavy, electrically assisted rear coach doors feels less like entering a car and more like stepping into a private super yacht. The rear compartment is completely sealed off from the chauffeur by an electrochromic glass partition that can transition from crystal clear to opaque at the touch of a button. Once inside, you are enveloped in a sanctuary of hand-polished open-pore walnut wood, massive high-definition screens, running an incredibly advanced AI-powered infotainment system, and executive lounge seats that recline up to 43 degrees. These seats don't just massage you. They use hot stone simulation and therapeutic calf heating to ensure you arrive at your destination more relaxed than when you left. If you are enjoying this deep dive into the absolute peak of automotive opulence, make sure to hit that subscribe button and drop a like on this video right now, because we bring you inside the most exclusive, mind-blowing vehicles on the planet every single week. Beyond the sheer comfort, Maybach has integrated features that sound like science fiction. There is an active cabin scenting system that uses a custom fragrance infused with real gold dust, a built-in champagne chiller, complete with 2 solid silver flutes, and a starlight headliner containing over 2,000 plus fiber optic lights that can replicate the night sky of any date and location in human history. To move this massive mountain of luxury, Mercedes has equipped the 6X6 with a state-of-the-art twin-turbocharged hybrid V8 engine, pushing out a staggering 850 horsepower. This powerhouse allows the heavy beast to rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in an astonishing 4.5 seconds, a figure that defies the very laws of physics. However, all of this unparalleled luxury and mechanical sophistication brings us back to that massive, hidden catch we teased earlier. While the ultra-rich are already queuing up with open checkbooks, Mercedes engineers are quietly sweating over a critical flaw. Because of its massive 22-foot length and the complex geometry of its triple-axle steering system, the Maybach Limousine 6X6 has a turning radius of over 45 feet. This means navigating basic city streets, turning tight corners in downtown Manhattan, or pulling up to the narrow driveways of elite luxury hotels is practically impossible without performing an embarrassing 5-point turn. Even worse, the vehicle's colossal curb weight exceeds 8,000 pounds, legally classifying it as a commercial vehicle in several major European cities, meaning owners cannot legally drive their $3 million toys down some of the world's most famous, exclusive residential streets without facing heavy fines. Mercedes may have shocked the world, but they might have built a palace that is simply too big to ever leave the driveway.